everyone, this is Aditi and you're watching me on News 18. Joining me is Sumona Chakravarti, who's all set to participate in Khatron Ke Khiladi 14. Congratulations, how are you?
Thank you so much, Aditi. I am good. Now feeling excited. I think today I'm really feeling it now. और पूरी फीलिंग तो वहाँ ही आएगी सीधा लैंड करते हुए.
How did KKK 14 happen?
I think it's just timing. It's just universe making things happen. So honestly, I think it was meant to happen. Is what I can say. I had the time, to be very honest. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हमारे पास वक्त नहीं रहता क्योंकि जब हम टीवी करते हैं तो इस वक्त वक्त भी था और काफ़ी टाइम से जो है मेरी लाइफ में थोड़ा एडवेंचर की कमी थी बिकॉज अदरवाइज आई ऑलवेज हैड एडवेंचर्स पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ तो आई वॉज लाइक वाई नॉट रीकिंडल दैट लव फॉर एडवेंचर एंड कुछ मज़ेदार करते हैं ऑडियंस को भी एक मौका देते हैं टू सी how Sumona is in real life. A little bit, not fully, a little bit.
Yeah, I think it was necessary.
Yeah.
So what kind of physical and mental preparation have you taken or have you done anything so far?
Specifically for the show, in terms of physical fitness, well, I've been doing that for the last 10-15 years now. So वो तो एक it's been a part of my life anyway, eating clean and trying to eat clean most days and मेंटल फिटनेस इज़ वॉट आई फील इस शो के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है जब आप जाते हो एक ट्रस्ट और फेथ होना चाहिए अपने आप में आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी है आप जब भी कोई भी स्टंट करते हो ऑफकोर्स बोलने में टीवी में देखने में और फिर एक्चुअली में करने में बहुत फ़र्क होता है बट क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा बहुत आई हैव डैबल्ड विद एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स इन रियल लाइफ So I know that feeling a little bit at least कि like जैसे I've done a bungee jump so I know that feeling that you get in your stomach just before jumping off so I think वो मेरे अंदर वो एक थोड़ा सा कीड़ा है हमेशा से रहा है एक एड्रेनलिन जंकी का और क्योंकि काफ़ी टाइम से किया नहीं है लास्ट ईयर था 2016 में तो वो ना हाँ it's been there somewhere trying to make a comeback तो ये वो है बेसिकली ये वो चुल है basically to do that
Is there any fear in particular that you wish to overcome or are you scared of heights or anything that way?
No, my thing is it's not the fear or the phobia touchwood I don't have a phobia that I can really name it right now but it's the challenges it's the challenge of doing a stunt so वो I'm looking forward to तो इसीलिए जब like you said कि KKK कैसे हुआ I think I jumped at the offer literally because I have that thing in me, that chull to do it, to do a stunt, to do, I don't know, like, hawa mein suspended, climb these things, and to do a car stunt or something. Like, ये सब कहाँ करने को मिलता है? Cage में चीता के साथ कहाँ करने को मिलता है? So, I have that little, I want to do it. So, it's about testing my own limits and seeing, let's see how much life you are prepared in life. So, yeah.
So do you think is there any quality inside you that will help you survive KKK?
I have been working on myself past many years in the sense I've been on a path of spirituality for a while in terms of yoga, in terms of meditation. Last time I Vipassana ke liye gayi thi. So overall in life, like earlier I used to be very reactive back in the day. In my 20s at least I had this full tomboy and कोई बोल के दिखाए मेरे को I had that होता है हर एक में right but then we grow and we evolve but I would like to believe and I think मैं लाइफ में ऐसे मुकाम पे आके पहुंची हूँ where I'm very zen so और प्लस ज़िंदगी ने बहुत सिखाया है तो whatever curveballs come and whatever situation comes I'm able to take a step back
And
navigate it and see what route to take, what not to take. So I have really, मेरे अंदर का एक बंगालन था, like Chandi. It has really sobered down. It has really sobered down a lot.
Okay.
So I think, it comes with age, life teaches you, really like, that has happened. So I think that will really help because you need to have a cool mind. A calm mind.
And any competitor or any participant in मतलब you want to compete with, ऐसा कुछ है?
I honestly, except for I think Karan, because I have worked with Karan back in the day, I don't know anybody personally. Or I have not met also everyone abhi tak, like not everyone. So इसीलिए अभी तो I can't even answer this question unfortunately. तो ये तो वहाँ जाके once we are into it, I think a week into it, we'll all know each other's strengths and weaknesses. So yeah.
All the best, Sumona. Congratulations for Khatron Ke Khiladi, and I'm sure audience will love this for you. Thank you. Thank you.